Here's the Home Business Academy affiliate program. Let's get right into it. So here's a coaching style affiliate marketing product, and they pay 80% commissions, guys. They have a few products. They have the Let's Go app, the Funnel Builder, the Premium Traffic and Conversions, and Financial Literacy. I actually don't own this product right now. You must own each product to earn a commission on them. I hear that they update you when you're making commissions on products you don't have. I'm not sure if they're gonna do it and still give you the commission, but just stay on the lookout for that, guys. So as we dive into the Funnel Builder, you can actually add new tabs. So if you look right here, I have 2 tabs. These are most of the projects I worked over on the last 2 years. So some are pretty, some are not so pretty. So we'll just show you some link trees, and you can link a domain name to it. So every time you create a new page, it just adds a new variable at the end. You can do checkouts, products, so you can do so many different things in here. And what's so amazing about this also is the template. So if we come back and you want to start a new page, you have so many templates. We actually have a guy that builds really good and amazing templates. So if we scroll, and you can also have your templates added to the back office for your new members. So here's some of the pages he's built. You see they're really nice. You can just edit. You can just select and edit. You can preview them, and he has some special coding on some of them. So you see there's a whole list, and actually I didn't know it keeps going. So actually there's a lot. I knew there was way more. There's actually a lot that I might actually use. So many. So you really have some of the most highest converting, pages right here. You don't have to really create, but if you want to create your own, you can start right here from empty. That's the first product. The second product is Premium Traffic. I'm going to log in, and here's where all the coaching happens. We're going to go live. Actually, let's see. We have the Monday night mastermind at 8 p.m. Eastern. Daily traffic and conversions, 11 a.m. EST. So I just had to look at the time. Don't want to miss that. And we have all the replays. So you're going to get access to all the replays, but this is going to show you everything. So here's the free traffic, YouTube shorts, all that nice stuff. And then we have the paid traffic. So, ads, YouTube ads, and all that lovely stuff. We got more sales and conversion stuff right here. We have a AI bot in the back office for content. If you need ideas, we have high value trainings and some other side hustles. Amazon influencer profits, if you know anything about that. I'm part of that as well. And then we have financial literacy. So I don't own this product, but I can scroll down and show you some of the stuff that's in this product. So if you go through the all-in-one funnel and purchase it, you're going to get it for $500 one time. If you wait to, when you already have an account, it's going to cost you $1,000, and they have a payment plan as well. So here's what comes in the capture page system. And this is the other product we have, which is the Let's Go app. And you can see everything that comes in the Let's Go app. And that's right here. This is where I'm actually working on it now. This is my second YouTube video today, and this is going to really, upgrade you, because you're going to do all the stuff that makes the money. So you're going to make sure all the stuff that actually makes the money is done every single day. So you'll have the best chance at having the results that you want. You see, I have a lot of amazing stuff. Like, this is all make money stuff for me. So, and then you're going to be able to come in here and have some personal development stuff on the back end. Gratitude, vision board, mantra, journal, quotes, anything that you want to get off your mind or you want to write down. You're going to have this, and you have this on your phone as well. So let's talk about, how does this pay? So Let's Go is $10 a month. It pays $8 a month. The Funnel Builder is $25 a month. It pays $20 a month. Premium Traffic is $125 a month, and it pays $100 a month. financial literacy, if they purchase it at $1,000, it's $400 commission. And I think if they get it at $500, it's going to be, the 80% of that. So great company. You have literally everything. You have a one-time product that's more higher end. You have nice recurring commissions. So around $120 in recurring commissions, actually $128 in recurring commissions. So you do the math, you can add those up and make just as much money in this as anything else. And what's amazing is this premium product, since we do masterminds and since it always has new stuff in it, it's something that people keep. When you go in business, you have expenses. So this is your business expenses. And what's so amazing is the only third-party things that you're going to buy is a domain name, which is a once-a-year payment. I need a professional email. I use a third party, so I kind of have all that included, but that jack your expenses up even more. So we're going to keep it in this platform. Professional email, which that's usually a few dollars a month. And then your autoresponder, and then usually with Aweber, it's free up until a certain amount. You get one list, and then you get like 500 subscribers, which for a new person, that's enough. The only other thing with the autoresponder, a virtual address. So if you already have a PO box, that's even better. You won't need that. But for my virtual address, I pay $9 a month for my virtual address, and you're in business now. There's nothing else you need. Everything else is a bonus, such as CapCut, Canva, stuff that we edit content in. That's a bonus, but this is everything you need. So when you set all of this stuff up, you're gonna be, ahead of the curve. A lot of people are just using pre-hosted digital products on these link websites, and they don't have a real business set up. They don't really know how automations work. They don't really know what's going on. So you're going to have everything. So you're going to feel so much more ahead of the curve, and you're going to be able to help all those people out there struggling. See, the amazing thing about having a program like this is your market's even wider than just someone that wants to make money. Your market is now the struggling marketer, the struggling network marketer, the struggling affiliate marketer. Anyone that doesn't have this platform is your customer and the new person that wants to make money online. And here's the HBA affiliate program. Here's a legit way to make money online. All information will be in the description.